This is a 1-minute candlestick analysis trading session, and we are going to take a 5-minute expiry trade. This is binary option trading for those who are watching our video for the very first time. This is not forex trading. So as you can see, first of all, let's understand the chart, and we can say that as we are trading over 5 minutes, the minor trend will help us. And here we can see that previously it was an uptrend here until this point. Market was in uptrend, but right now, as you can see, market got consolidated here, and I can say that market is right now retracing back, because the neckline, this we can say is the neckline, it's been broken by the market here. So the trend is changing. This was the higher low swing, this was the low, this was the high, higher low and higher high. So this was the higher low swing. It's been broken here, which means that the trend is now changing, and it's a good thing for us because we can now go for a short trade here in the direction of the downward direction. So right now we have to wait for some time because right now we don't have a clear vision which way market wants to go. Market did broke this level, but you can see it reverses back completely, and I can see some support present here, and that's why market is reversing. Or you can see this is the past support level. So just let me draw the complete zone. So this is the zone of support, and you can see market did respected this level. So what we will do, we'll just wait for the market to break this level, and if market break this level, I am very sure that market is going to hit this low, because this is how the market moves. So we will just wait for the market to break this level, or we'll wait for a change in the trend again. So we don't know which way the market will go, but let's wait and see how the market will behave. The price action will give us an opportunity in the future. So right now we don't have that setup, so we'll just wait, and I'm just fast forwarding this video to save some time. And as soon as I got this setup, I will take the trade and will explain you the whole setup, whole trade in detail, so that you can understand and apply the same when you trade. So let's wait. So we have placed our trade. We got a clear breakout candle here. Market previously got some consolidation, and here we got a clear breakout in the downward direction. The trend is also confirmed here as the downtrend here. This was the high, this was the low, lower high and lower low. So the downtrend was confirmed. The market structure was also changing, and that's why I took this trade. As soon as we got the breakout, I didn't wait for the retracement because of this consolidation. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you in detail everything that I have thought about before taking this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade by a very small margin. We can say that it was a lucky trade, and for those who let's take one more trade. I think we can surely go for one more trade here. There is a good chance of taking a trade, but I will only going to take the trade in the downward direction, because I think that the volume is still missing, and we can expect a steep move in the downward direction if we get a breakout. So let's wait. If this candle closes above, then we are going to finish this session, because then our setup will be gone. my setup was to take the trade in the downward direction, and right now it is going up. So let's see. Okay, I think it's going to close above the level, which means that the setup that we were working failed completely here. I was expecting a sharp decline in the market, but it didn't happen. Fortunately, we have won this trade, but the setup actually failed according to me. So let me explain you the setup. Although it didn't work that well. So the setup was simple, as I was expecting that market was changing its structure here from this level. This was the low, high, higher low, and higher high. The uptrend was confirmed, and after that market started sliding down. This was the high, this was the low, lower high, and lower low. Here market created a downward pattern. This was the price action that suggests that market wants to go down. And if we look here, this was the higher low swing. It's been broken here, which means that the price structure was actually changing, and that's why I was thinking that previously it was the uptrend. But as the swing low has been broken and the price action is also showing a downward trend, I will put my trade in the downward direction, and that's what I was working on. And here I waited for the market to break this support level. You can see this was another swing low, and I waited for the market to break this level. Market rejected back from this level twice, and after that it broke in the downward direction. So all in all, these things were suggesting one thing, that the market wants to fall down, and the strong candlestick was the confirmation. So I put a 5-minute trade here. But I was expecting that market will fall sharply and will hit at least this level. This was my expectations, but it didn't happen. The reason why I placed a trade right after getting a breakout was because you can see here market got rejected back from the same level, and it reverses back quickly, and it was a kind of consolidation to me, and I was thinking that market wants some volume. I saw a volume, and that's why I placed a 5-minute trade. So this was the whole setup that I was chasing, and I was putting my money on. At the end we won the trade, but the setup failed completely. So this was a lucky trade for me. And that is it about this trading session. I hope that you have learned something new from this trading session, and I'm still not sure that market will go up. It can reverse from this level. The setup, the reason why I'm saying that this setup failed is because that market didn't fall sharply, which I was expecting. It reverses back, but still, if we look for the price action, it's still a downtrend. This is the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this is the lower high swing again. So although the trend is still downtrend, but the setup failed because I was expecting a sharp decline here, which didn't happen, and that's why I'm saying that the setup failed. I'm not saying that the analysis failed completely. The analysis is still in our favor. The trend is downtrend, and for those who wants to take a retracement trade can surely go for a trade if they get the confirmation. So that is it. I'm still hoping that market will fall and is going to hit this level, and then it can change its path.